the Christmas cake, so sweet and round, with frosting white and flavors profound. A sprinkle of joy, a cherry on top. Slice by slice, we just can't stop. Baking in the oven, it fills the air. A scent of cinnamon spices so rare. Grandma hums a tune, her hands at play, building magic for the holiday. Candied fruits and almonds shine, layer by layer, it's all so fine. Golden glaze, a sugar kiss, a holiday treat we wouldn't miss. Friends and family gather near to share the cake and Christmas cheer. Every bite, a story unfolds of love and warmth in the winter's cold. A candle glows atop the cake, a wish for joy, for dreams to wake. Around the table, smiles so bright, hearts aglow in a twinkling light. Slice by slice, what we find. Oh, Christmas cake. Oh, Christmas cake, the yearly delight. Your magic dances through the night. Slice by slice, with love we partake. Slice by slice, oh, Christmas cake. Oh, Christmas cake, the yearly delight. Your magic dances through the night. Slice by slice, with love we partake. Slice by slice, oh, Christmas cake.